most sensitive fruit of all the grapes. So you can just simply dump it like that. And dump it in like this. Okay. Oh my god, this is cool. Right, and there you have it, the fruit basket preparation.
And now, as you can see, we're almost done with the fruit basket making. Ew. Hey! Yaka, hindi mo hinugasan. Nauwi ko.
Okay, now let's bring out the ribbons.
Uy, yasan?
Okay,
Make sure that the person who's making the fruit basket is not eating.
Uy! No, I'm gonna cough. And this is the finished product.
This is the...
With caramel and pure chocolate. I love it.
I love it. Straw, where's the straw?
Actually,
this is what I like most about the pure blended chocolate. Cream.
we forgot. So don't forget to put the, what do you call this in English?
Light
sheets. Tagalog rambutan. Okay. So we're going to remove now the rambutan in its styro plastic because you know the freshness will not really unleash.
Yeah.
So Brian unleash. And it's like that. It's fresh.
Fresh from the lacerated. Fresh from the lacerated.
So, just put it like garnish, you know, like making garnishing and like that and everything. So make sure the sensitive fruit would be on top, like that. And voila! The rest will be for my fruits.
Hey.
The remaining fruits will be on my fruits. Shucks, wow, it's so saucy.
So saucy, so full.
So nice. It's like
It's like we're selling fruits.
ang ganda.
Mapangit yan, ha?
So Alvin, check this out. Our handy dandy fruit shake.
Yes, a fruit shake. Fresh creations, fresh ideas from the training department. When trainers gone wild.
Teka, dapat yung apple meron sa taas.
Ewan ko sa'yo, ano yan, lechon?